Stop it! No camera! Stop it! Paparazzi, stop it! That's what my cousin says all the time. I'm serious, stop it. I will hit your phone again.
Okay. I'm smarter than that.
Stop it! Stop it! I can't breathe! Now.
It's just so funny.
Oh my We can't do this to the guy.
Why can't we?
What? I don't want you to. I'm serious. You don't show this to him.
Okay.
I will dab. I'm serious. Okay, I'm about to dab if you don't stop.
Dab.
Dab.
Dab again.
I don't want to dab.
Yeah, do it the cool way, like really fast but slow. Fast but slow. Like the Fast and Furious.
I don't want to dab.
But very, very straight.
Stop it.
Okay, then.
I'm stuck. My seatbelt's stuck. I can't lean up to your seat anymore. Move the camera out of my face real quick. Real quick. Please.
You won't stop, will you?
No. Oh my gosh, I'm about to pee myself. Please.
I almost beat myself 5 times.
I can't breathe. Please move the camera out of my face real quick. Oh my gosh, I sound like a hyena and a pig. No more pictures. I'm laughing so hard. My face hurts. No more pictures. My face hurts. My face hurts. Tablet. Where's my phone? Thief! What? Oh, okay. Don't scare me like that. I love you so much. You're my favorite. Don't scare me like that. Okay? Don't scare me like that. Please don't.
Your phone is not a person.
Well, it pays more attention to me than Damien does. I'm serious. I'm not kidding.
It's just so funny though.
I'm not kidding about that last part.
It's so funny. It's so funny.
If he actually...
Kiss him on the nose.
But seriously,
Hi, Jackson. You're wet.
You know, if you want to show him this, fine. But let me just say this. If you're going to show him this, make sure he knows my phone pays more attention to me than he does.
Oh. That was a solid burn, guys.
My phone actually I can see it and it wants to like listen to me. Whenever I press it, Siri actually listens to me.
That was a total burn, guys. And if Damien, if you see this, just know that you were burned. Seriously.
And he's in the doghouse right now. I'm mad at him.
Oh. Paige, help me get all this Mexican food.
Hey.
Jackson, stop eating the Mexican food.
Mexican food. Oh, he ate the tamale.
You put your mouth on the tamale. That was a good one.
Wait, I got something. Just know, if you show this to him, let him know he is in the doghouse. I am mad at him.
Damien, your dad is a Mexican Batman, and your mom is a white cracker, and you are a Mexican Batman Jr. And Paige stormed off. Hey, kitty, don't.